If you are also one of them who is having this problem, then you are at the right place to diagnose your problem. After watching this video till the end, you will able to get rid from your problem for sure. If this video didn't work out for you, then please let us know in the comment section so that we can upload the part 2 of this video. With that being said, let's get started. Before I head over to the solution, I just want to let you know guys is that this video includes 3 ways to solve the problem. Each methods or ways are capable to solve the problem. If the first method doesn't work for you, then you can try second method. If the second doesn't work, then you can try the third method. By the end of this video, you will able to get rid from the problem that you are having right now. With that being said, let's move toward the solution of the problem. Alright guys, I am on my phone right now. Let's fix it by using method 1. Go to the setting of your smartphone. Then search floating notification on the search bar. Tap on floating notification. Then disable any one notification from there. You could do all, but disabling only one notification will help you to fix the issue. Now go ahead and check out whether now you are able to install or update apps from Play Store or not. As you can see here guys, I am now able to install Facebook Lite on my phone. If method 1 doesn't solve your issue, then you should definitely try the second method. And the second way to fix your issue is that go ahead and clear all the background running apps on your phone. To clear all the background running apps, all you have to do is that click on or tap on left side icon or key. Now you will able to see all the background running apps. Then click on the cross symbol, or you can clear background apps manually. Not only clearing background apps helps to solve your current issue, but also prevent your mobile phone from overheating and battery draining issue. Make sure you clear all the background apps. The final way to fix your issue is that go ahead and tap on Google Play Store app for 3 seconds. Just hold it. Then you can see app info. Then click on app info. Then tap on clear data. Tap clear all data. After clearing the data, reboot your smartphone. I hope your issue will be solved after rebooting your smartphone. I hope you find this video really useful. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. If you are still having the problem, please let us know in the comment section. We will make every effort to resolve your issue. Finally, thank you so much guys for watching this till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day ahead.